y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful Wednesday. I am excited because, as you can see, we have our January 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So yesterday I did my ultimate. Today we have the plus, so we have the middle sister. We're gonna see what we got for January. First, I wanna say again, welcome. My name is Nikki. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do beauty, lifestyle, home decor, jewelry, accessories, pets, snacks. We do a little bit of everything here. So if you enjoy that, like I said, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And guys, as always, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And let's get into our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now, for those of you that do not know, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a $25 a month subscription, and you receive 5 full-size beauty items. Now, you are able to choose one of the items every month. They just started that a few months back, and I really like that. They'll give you 3 to 4, maybe 5 items, and you get to choose which item of those you want in your bag. Or box. So you do know one that is coming, but let's get in here. So when you open it, it says discover yourself, and we have the orange foam and then the pamphlet and our products. So the theme for January is clean slate. And it says, this is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer services you, habits, feelings, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. So then we open this and it will go over our products, including pricing, which I do really like. So first thing, obviously, that is grabbing my attention is this right here. We have some masks. Let's see. This says Duft and Doft Pink Milk Mask, set of 6. And it is $14.98 for 6 of these. Staying in, these easy to use sheet masks are infused with a skin brightening combo of niacinamide and ginseng, taking skin from dull to dewy in less than 20 minutes. Perfect for that post-holiday self-care Sunday. So I'm guessing it must be 3 in each pack. But again, this is what it looks like. Let's see. Yeah, there's 3 in each of these. So we have 6 face masks. I love sheet masks. All right. And then let's see. We have another black eyeliner. This is from Sugar Cosmetics Wingman Waterproof Eyeliner in 01 I'll Be Black. And this is $11.99. Get the best cat eye of your life with this jet black liquid liner. Its firm, easy to control tip draws clean, crisp lines every single time. No pro skills required. And the best part, the formula is 100% waterproof, so once it's on, it's on. If I receive another black eyeliner, y'all, I mean, am I the only one that has received probably like 30 black eyeliners? Really? Like, can we get a little bit more original? That's every now and then, yes, that would be great because I do use black eyeliner, but I don't need one or 12 every month. So there's that. All right, and then we have Nature's Cartel. This is a lipstick in 90s nostalgia, and this is $15. 90s inspired beauty looks are having a moment right now, and this brown mauve lipstick from Nature's Cartel is exactly what you need to get in on the trend. The creamy, non-drying formula feels comfy on lips, plus it's vegan and cruelty-free too. We'll double tap to that. Now, I don't know that I have ever heard of Nature's Cartel, so let's take a look and see. I'll be honest, I am one of those people that actually does prefer bullet lipsticks. All right, so here is the actual product. I do prefer bullet lipsticks, honestly, over liquid lipsticks because they just, I find I don't care how amazing the formula is with a liquid lipstick, it is still going to at some point feel very drying. I mean, I love Jeffree Star, Ofra. I think they have some of the better formulas when it comes to liquid lipsticks. However, they still do eventually get that drying feeling. So like I said, I'm that person. I prefer bullet lipsticks. So I am not mad at receiving this. So that is the color. I don't know if I would wear this. Maybe. To me, this would be a really good fall color. So probably will hold on to it. So there's item number 3. And then we have, I may butcher this, Honolly lip treatment. So 2 lip products. It's in clear. This is $20. Aloha Healthy Lips, formulated with a unique blend of Hawaiian botanicals like rare kukui, nut oil, aloe, and agave. This lush lip treatment instantly revives chapped lips. One swipe and you'll be hooked. So it's like a fancy chapstick. So there you have that. Yeah, it's a fancy chapstick. So far, I'm good with the masks. And that was 4 of the 5 products. So we have 1 product left, and this is the product I chose. So I am excited about this. And this is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum, and this is $80. Give your skin the good stuff. This ultralight gel serum is filled with a vitamin-rich juice base with things like soothing aloe and brightening apple, all organically grown on Juice Beauty's vineyard. Use morning and night to hydrate, protect, and help ease fine lines. So I am very excited for this because, again, this was the item I chose. I have a Juice Beauty under eye treatment, and I love that. And it's from like this same Stem Cellular line. So I'm so excited to have this. So basically, this product and the sheet masks are really the only products I'm kind of like, yay. Another black eyeliner, really? And then we got an overhyped chapstick. And then a lipstick that I'm honestly not sure if I will wear because it's a little more on the brown than the mauve side, but I may give it a try. I don't know. So there's everything in the box. I'll put the total value of my box right down here for you guys. And then we have our bag. Now, I do have to give them credit. I think this bag is so adorable. We have like this light rose gold, and then the marble does have the handle, and then the pink, and then it has like their new Ipsy logo. So I do like the bag. I like the bag better than the eyeliner. So all in all, I think the product I chose and the set of sheet masks make this box. I'm just not thrilled about another black eyeliner, y'all. I'm just gonna be honest. And then a fancy-ish chapstick, basically. I don't know. That's just how I feel about it. You guys know I'm always going to be honest with you. So let me know down below what you guys received in your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Were we bag twins? Did you receive something completely different and amazing? Let me know. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you all have an amazing evening, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.